like to describe it in one word. I was awestruck when I saw him come on the stage so confidently and fearlessly. I was mesmerized. I think he was more confident. There was no stage fear, and this is all what Jumpstart has done to him. And I was really happy to see him perform today.
What are the other activities that you like in the entire year?
What I really like is the other two events, Mom and Me Day and Dad and Me Day. They were amazing to see how your child is at school and how he is around his peers. Also, I loved one more event, which was the can you do this again? There was one more event. Mom and Me Day, Dad and Me Day. No. Yeah, so the resource person also, I came twice and I was really happy to see how confident all the kids were. They were listening to a stranger teacher also who was there for that day.
What has been the greatest change in your child's life because of Jumpstart?
Oh, I must say he's changed totally. He is more confident, he speaks a lot. Sometimes we are really surprised with what he speaks and we really think that, oh, he must have learned this at the school. So that's a big change in him. And obviously I love the thing that he's learning a new language, Spanish. And he really tries to speak at home also, although we don't understand anything, but yeah.
What is that one thing that Jumpstart is best at?
I love the Tuesdays and Fridays events that you all do. I think that is a great way to introduce them to many concepts around them which they are unaware of, and it kind of gives them knowledge about their surroundings. Yeah.
One last question. If your child could describe Jumpstart in one word, what would it be?
I think that is his second home. Yeah, because I think apart from his own home, the time that he spends in school is the most after his own home. So I think that is his second home. He's full of energy always while leaving for school, and he's the happiest when he comes home.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.